Okay, hello everybody and welcome to the residence of the Irish Ambassador to the United States. My name is Karl Durnin and I'm the chef here, and today I'm going to be preparing smoked salmon and smoked trout timbale. Ireland is famous for smoked salmon, and one of the most popular ways of using it up is in a timbale like this, and you can stuff it with cream cheese or shrimp or crab meat or whatever, but today I'm going to use a smoked trout mousse. So I'm just going to get started on that now, and it's simple, it's quick, it's easy to make, so it's very accessible for everybody. So I'm going to start on that now, and first of all I'll show you what I need here to put together. So first we've got our smoked trout, there's 5 ounces there, and we've got a smoked salmon. I'm not going to use all of that now, but it takes about 2 ounces to line each ramekin. And then we've got lemon juice from half a lemon, about 2 teaspoons of brandy, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coarse chopped capers, 1 teaspoon of chopped fresh dill, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh chive, half an ounce of finely diced red onion, and 2 fluid ounces of cream. So first thing we do is grab our food processor and put in our smoked trout. Very quickly, just break that up a little bit, and then we can add a lot of these wet ingredients here. So your lemon juice, your brandy, black pepper, and cream. So just quickly blitz that until it just kind of goes together. And if you've got a see-through lid like this, it makes it really handy. And that's it, you're just combining it together so it stays in one piece, but the smoked trout still has a little bit of texture to it. It's not like a paste. Then we just transfer it into a mixing bowl here. The last of it. So in then with the rest of the ingredients, there's your chives, your dill, your capers, and red onion. And just fold it together, just fold it gently. So that mousse there is just ready to go into the timbale. There's enough there for 3 timbales. And the reason I'm making this much here, even just to make one, is because this food processor is quite big. So 5 ounces is the least amount that will actually blend properly. And to line this timbale, it's very simple. Just a bit of cling wrap. Fold it in half. And just leave some of it hanging over one edge and push the rest of it down. You don't have to paint it with oil or anything like a lot of people do. The smoked salmon has enough natural oils in it that it won't stick. And here's your smoked salmon here, Irish smoked salmon, but any firm, good quality smoked salmon you can lay your hands on really. And into the mould and leave about ½ inch to 1 inch hanging over. And try not to have too many gaps. Okay, so that's a generous amount of smoked salmon in that now. And I did weigh it earlier when I made one, and it does work out at about 2 ounces. Just seems to be enough to line the whole thing. And then your mix, just take about 1/3 of it there. And that goes in. And push it down quite firm. And then you just fold the smoked salmon over the top again. So, a bit more cling film on top, and then you just put a little bit of weight on that and you put that into the fridge, and you're better off setting that for about 3 hours, just so that everything can firm up enough so you can turn it out. I have one here that I made this morning, and I'm just going to put it onto this plate the way that we would present it here. But of course at home you can have it as simple or as easy as you like. That's what we just put together now. I took the cling wrap off the top. This is it. This is quite firm now. It's been made for about 3 or 4 hours. And you just kind of pull this a little bit till it starts to move, and then you tip it over and onto the plate. I have a little bit of pickled baby cucumber here. Just a very simple stock syrup with a splash of white wine vinegar. Just gives it a little bit of colour there on top. And then we serve it with a little bit of mango lime salsa, some Melba toast, and a tiny little garnish salad. And that's it. Very simple, very easy, and not much mess. It won't take long to clean up after either. Okay, so take care.
How does it taste for you?